Ladies and gentlemen, recently I restored an old social media website project that I had abandoned 2 years ago. Particularly, it was a project where I would kind of try to replicate YouTube, except it would be more of an educational kind of, without gaming videos, without shorts, without all of that useless stuff. And the problem was that I was a beginner that had only 6 months of self-taught experience. And so when I restored the project, I saw all of the previous errors that I had made before, and it made me laugh and it made me have fun, and like it was amazing to see because I actually stored everything locally on the computer. So like the idea was that I don't want to pay for Google Cloud because it costs money. So I will just put everything onto my computer and I will run the website from my computer. That's what happens when you're self-taught. As a self-taught developer, you think that you can just use your computer as a supercomputer, as a replacement for a supercomputer, and run your website and have thousands of users actively upload videos while you just run it off of your MacBook or laptop or whatever. But the thing is that if you're a developer, it's very valuable for you to know that it's actually not the end of the world if you have some project and then you stop doing it and then you abandon it. You might feel like at the end, damn, I spent so much time, I didn't complete it. That's horrible, right? But it's really just a learning experience because as I look back right now, I can see that I am considerably more skilled in development as a result of that, because I've gotten accustomed not only with Python, but with web development, with databases, and all this stuff. Of course, keep the database on a Google Cloud, you idiot, but still, I understood many things that I otherwise would not have. That's how you learn. If you're a self-taught developer, if you fail, that's okay. That's just part of the learning process. Start a new project, learn more coding concepts, fail, and then start a new project. And then one of them you will actually complete and be proud of the result, whatever it is, whether you're using it to just, you're trying to make a social media website that's more helpful than YouTube and brain rot shorts and things like that. Goodbye.